Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say a very big thank you to my old subscribers and my new subscribers. I just want to say welcome and thank you for tuning in today, subscribing to my channel and supporting. Generally, I appreciate you and you matter. Okay, I just want to bring this thing to you guys, which I have been using for some time now, and it has been working for me. And this thing, I've used it for a couple of days now, and you can see, I don't know what happened. The foundation I used started getting my face dark, so my face started getting darker than my skin. You can see how light my skin is, and then my face started getting dark and red, like I don't know, felt like I had sunburn all over my face and it's dark. So it worried me because it's abnormal. So I had to find a solution to it, and I started using this honey, turmeric and lemon together on my face, and Lord, it's working. It is working. And I read about something else I can add to my face, which is packed and has a lot of vitamin C in it that can help my face. Obviously, I thought about beetroot. And beetroot, naturally I don't like eating beetroot because it can stain. Look at my palm, like if you see it very well, I had to wash and cut, and it's like, gave me that redness and all that. Feels like zobo, if you know what zobo is all about, or what zobo is. A hibiscus flower. The way it stains, that's how, well, I think beetroot is worse in staining. So I have decided to use beetroot on my face and see the outcome and what I gain in return. So I'm going to read a little bit about beetroot before I go ahead and use this product. Because beets are high in vitamin C, some consider beets to be good for the skin, even suggesting that they can protect from signs of aging such as wrinkles, according to Oregon State University. Both topical and dietary vitamin C have beneficial effects on skin cells. So this is packed with a lot of vitamins inside it, which we're going to use today. And it's been confirmed by this state university, that it has a lot of vitamin C, and I've seen people using it as a face mask, and they confirm that it's working for them. So why wouldn't it work for me? Let's go there together. So I have washed, chopped and cleaned this beetroot in a bowl like this, right? And I decided to make my own different. What do you think? I have decided to make my own look so different. Look at me, I'm glowing, girl. I am glowing. So yeah, I'm going to definitely be doing this, So I have my lemon, which I've already chopped, and my beetroot, which I've already chopped in the shape that I want. And so I'm going to go ahead and add more vitamin C to it, which is lemon. You all know the properties of lemon. So I'm going to go ahead and put lemon into this just to make it moist. I haven't got strength to press this, Okay, so I got a little bit of lemon juice at the bottom, and I'm just gonna let it sink in while we look at what look at that redness I'm talking about, So why we go ahead and look at what lemon can do to our skin. What does lemon? Okay, what does lemon do to your face? Lemon juice naturally contains vitamin C, an antioxidant that may help reduce skin damage and premature aging. Astringent quality. Due to its high pH level, lemon can decrease oil on the skin and reduce inflammation. So we're talking about vitamin C right here, like a lot of vitamin C. And beetroot is packed with vitamin C, lemon is packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. So with that, we're going to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do this and how I wash it out. So usually I use my face steamer, or I wet a towel very hot and I keep it to my face just to open my pores. And then after that, I go ahead and apply my turmeric, lemon and honey on my face, and I leave it for 30 to 40 minutes, and then I go ahead and wash it out. And then after washing it, while I wash it with warm water so that the honey would obviously wash out. When you wash with cold water, it's a bit sticky, but when you wash with warm water, it kind of helps, takes it out on time. So I use warm water to wash out, and then after that I just pant my face dry with a hand towel, and then after that I apply my beetroot and lemon, just rub it on my face just like I'm going to do. Let's go to it. So if you don't want this staining your hand, please go and wear what do you call it, gloves, hand gloves, just to protect your hand. Well, I do not care, you know what I mean, I don't care. So I go ahead and dip it inside the lemon juice. I've got a mirror down here, so permit me to look into the mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead like this, just use it on my face like this. So you can blend this if you like want general mask. You can just blend this and like put it, it will be obviously liquidy, and you just rub it all over your face. I don't know why I've grown this habit of saying obviously, and I hate it. Somebody has actually picked it out and said it to me that why do I keep saying obviously. I have no idea why I keep saying that. I don't know why I have picked that habit. I'm trying to stop it. Forgive me if it's annoying, if it's cringy. I am going to stop it, and I promise I will not say it again. God help me. So I just rub it all over my face and just make sure everything is circulated. And so before doing this, I've already washed my face. My face is in a good condition. So I'm going to take another pieces and go ahead and, yeah, you can bring it to your lips, you know, it gives you that red lips if you want to. So I'm going to leave it right this for 20 minutes, and I'll go ahead and wash it out. So I'll let you know when I wash it out, and I'll be back. Hey guys, so it has been 25 minutes since then, and this thing literally feels like my face is just trapped together. Like I can't smile very well. It held my face together, which is getting all the whole wrinkles like separated, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this. This is what it feels like. Felt like I rubbed blood all over my face. I can't, like, it feels like my skin is dry, and if I laugh it's going to crack, you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead. This thing stained my hand. Look at it. Like I've washed my hand all over and over again. It's not going out. I don't have any regret. I don't regret it. I don't feel bad about it. It's nothing. It's a fruit. Actually, will get into my skin through there. So so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face with African black soap and warm water, and then I would use cold water to block all my pores, and I will be back. Stay tuned, guys. Hold up for me, hold up, don't go. Hey guys, I'm back. So while washing my face, my eyelashes decided to fall off, you know, and that is because I had the opportunity to wash it. So the soap got into my eyes, got into my eyes. I had to rub it, and then it fell off. I was like, you know what, just yank it off, and everything went off. So this is my face. It feels really good having, wow, okay, it worked. Beetroot worked. It worked. My face feels so smooth and so good. So, oh my god, it feels really, really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my, wait, before I look for it, I'm gonna be using, let me use this aloe vera, 100% organic aloe vera gel, beauty and healthy gel, the aloe vera. So sensitive skin moisturizer, especially for sensitive skin or dry skin. So I'm going to be using this aloe vera on my face, just few drops, and I lock it back up and just dab dab dab, just to seal in the my even though I washed my face, I like rinsed my face with cold water, but just to, in case anyone that is on my face that is very stubborn and that has refused to. Okay, beetroot went off my fingers. Yes, it went away, but not totally everything, but at least most of it went away. And so it goes away, you don't have to worry. Just wash it with lukewarm water and it will go. So guys, I feel really good. My skin is glowing, as you can see. Y'all should try it. Beetroot on your face. Try it religiously on your face for 7 days, and come back and tell us what you think down there. And I'll see you in my next other video. You might as well try turmeric, honey and lemon on your face and see what you get at the end of the day. I love how my face feels. I really love it. It feels so fresh, spotless, you know, comfy and relaxed. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you in my next other video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment down below. And if you like this video and you want more of this video, kind of these videos, just let me know down below. Tell me what you want me to do next. Tell me what you want to see on this channel next, and I'll be sure and happy to bring it along your way. Thank you very much once again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.